Hello everyone! We are thrilled to introduce a brand new club, the DYC Free Study Club, and this club is part of the broader DYC platform, which connects leaders and learners from diverse backgrounds to foster shared learning, skill development, and leadership in youth. Before I begin, I would like to briefly introduce myself. I am Madhushri Mukherjee, and I recently earned my bachelor's in biology, and I plan to pursue my career in healthcare. I first learned about DYC during the pandemic, where I volunteered as an Algebra 1 tutor. After starting college, I took a small break, but this past summer, I returned and led another workshop. I really enjoyed the experience of teaching and helping students, and once the workshop ended, I felt inspired to continue giving back. That's when I decided to create this free study club for students, aiming to offer more opportunities as well as motivate students to learn. DYC's mission is to create spaces where students can freely learn, collaborate, and contribute to the community, while empowering them to explore a wide range of subjects and career paths. Our goal is to promote personal growth and leadership, offering global mentorship opportunities and help individuals at every level teach, coach, and mentor others. By doing so, we are helping students and mentors thrive and succeed in their personal and academic journeys. The DYC Free Study Club is designed to make learning not only more effective, but also more enjoyable. Here, students can seek help with homework, strengthen their understanding of academic concepts, and build the confidence they need to succeed in subjects like English, math, science, and much more. Our mentors are here to offer personalized support, whether you are struggling with a tough math problem or trying to understand a hard science concept. We're dedicated to providing you with the guidance you need. This is a space where you can ask questions without hesitation, tackle challenging problems with expert help, and receive constructive feedback that empowers you to excel. But as mentors, we're not just here to give you answers. Our role is to help you develop critical problem solving skills so you can apply what you have learned even after the workshop ends. A mentor can be anyone who feels confident in a particular subject and is passionate about helping others. They'll lead workshops in areas where they have expertise in, ensuring that students get the most out of each session. At the heart of the DYC Free Study Club, we aim to foster a supportive and friendly environment where students feel empowered to take ownership of their learning. We want to help you discover the joy in learning itself and to build a strong foundation for your academic success, no matter your age or background. Joining this club can also be done at the comfort from your homes for both mentors and learners. So, whether you're a student looking to strengthen your skills or a mentor eager to make a positive impact, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Together, let's make learning smoother, more enjoyable experience for everyone. For more information, please look into www.designyourcareers.org. Thank you.